How's it going, everyone? My name is Yuval Cassidy, and I'm here from SkyWatch AI Drone Insurance. SkyWatch AI provides comprehensive drone insurance policies that are tailor-made to each drone pilot's needs. Our policies are easily obtained through the use of a friendly mobile app and online through our web platform. Our goal is to make drone insurance easy. We want to give pilots simple solutions for obtaining drone insurance so that they can fly with peace of mind. One of my roles here at SkyWatch AI is to create and foster a strong community of professional drone pilots. Today, I'm here to dive into 3 of our top frequently asked questions. Question number 1. What type of drone insurance policies are available with SkyWatch AI? SkyWatch offers 3 different types of policies. The first one being hourly policies, which provide pilots with fully customizable liability coverage by the hour. This is ideal for pilots who need insurance on a per-flight basis. Monthly policies allow pilots the freedom of flying anytime, anywhere, over the course of an entire month. These plans are inclusive, flexible, and can be modified as you go. Lastly, SkyWatch AI offers 365 days of coverage through our annual plans. Pilots can enjoy flexible yearly coverage with lower hull premium rates. Question 2. Do I have to use the SkyWatch AI app in order to have the insurance active? Absolutely not. Flying through the SkyWatch AI app is completely optional. Once a policy has been activated through the SkyWatch app or web platform, you are free to fly with any app or controller of your choice and still be 100% covered. Question 3. How can I prove that I have SkyWatch AI drone insurance? Upon activating a SkyWatch policy, you will immediately receive a certificate of insurance to your inbox. Any modifications or additions to your policy and certificate of insurance can be done quickly and easily in 3 different ways. 1, directly through the mobile app. 2, on our web platform, or 3, by speaking with our responsive customer and pilot support team. We hope that these answers give you a better sense of what SkyWatch AI drone insurance is really all about. Sample insurance policies can be found online in our FAQ knowledge base. To learn more about what's included in SkyWatch AI policies, our customer support team is always available for you to contact.